Let's stay on the refugee crisis and bring in Zach Brooks-Miller. He's the Senior Director of International Programs at Team Rubicon. Zach, good morning. Thank you for joining us. First of all, just tell us more about Team Rubicon and what it is your organization is doing right now on the ground in Poland.
Yeah, absolutely. Team Rubicon is a humanitarian aid non-governmental organization which helps communities around the world prepare, recover, and respond to disasters. We've had teams in Poland for about 12 days now. We've also extended needs assessment and coordination teams into Moldova, Hungary, and Slovakia. Currently working with the United Nations, the WHO, UN OCHA, and USAID on where our services best fit in Poland and possibly into Ukraine.
The numbers that we're seeing really tell the story of this crisis. The UN now says 549 Ukrainian civilians have been killed. That includes 41 children. From your perspective, do you see more Ukrainians fleeing? How much worse is this crisis getting right now?
Yeah, I mean, the crisis continues to escalate. You heard the figures earlier. 2.5 million have already fled the country. You've already seen, and you're also seeing 2 million internally displaced people within the country as they flee the conflict in the east. Those individuals are starting to mass in the western part of the country, which is creating strain on the existing medical, food, water infrastructure in that part of the country. So we're currently working with the Ministry of Health in Ukraine and other partners to provide medical care in the western part of Ukraine.
How can people who are watching this unfold on their TVs, on their screens, and just wondering what they can do to help, what is it that people in Ukraine and Poland need most right now?
Right now, the best way to support is donating money. There's numerous organizations working in Ukraine and along the border. If you want to donate to Team Rubicon, it's www.teamrubiconusa.org. Click donate. But yeah, cash is pretty important right now.
Tell us about some of these volunteers who are leaving whatever it is they're doing to go and help out. I mean, talk about extraordinary.
Yeah, we have over 150,000 volunteers within the organization. They come from all walks of life. There are first responders, doctors, nurses, paramedics, firefighters, military veterans who put down their daily lives and step up to the call to action to support those who need it most.
I know we're grateful for that, and I know people in Europe are especially grateful for that. Zach, thanks so much for joining us again. And once again, to donate to help Ukrainian refugees, you can do so at teamrubiconusa.org.